How many times have you entered the lift only to have your sinuses shrieking in protest thanks to someone's overpowering perfume filling the tiny space? Or when you are forced to hold your breath every time you pass by your office neighbor? That's not good. Strong fragrances can cause a lot of discomfort. If you would like to remain elegant and respectful, let's start with the main rule. Always apply your perfume in a private area, like your house, your car, or a restroom. Never spray your perfume on a public transport or in a restaurant. Not everybody wants to smell like you, even if your perfume is expensive and good. The next important thing is the time and place where you will wear your fragrance. On a night out, a strong and seductive scent can be perfect, but it will not be appropriate for a workplace. I feel like there are places where you should avoid any perfume completely. If you are on a plane, in a doctor's office or hospital, or any other tight confined place, put your perfume down and just use a deodorant. You can't wear perfumes to the gym or any other sports classes when you are going for a long road trip or when you have visited a newborn child. For office settings, choose milder scents. We are doing it out of respect to others who may have sensitives or allergies or be prone to headaches. Simply try to avoid any heavy scents when you are in close proximity to people. The next important perfume etiquette tip is try to avoid wearing perfume to cover up other odors. It cannot clear strong odors like poor hygiene, alcohol, or other odors, even though it can mask it temporarily for some time. In this case, it's better to use some water and soap before applying any perfume. Another suggestion for wearing your perfume elegantly is to not mix your perfume with other flavored body washes, coconut creams, or heavily scented deodorants. Your skincare should always be fragrance-free. Also check your beautifully smelling laundry detergent. All of this may be interfering with the integrity of your perfume. Make sure you control the quantity that you apply so you don't irritate the people around you. Our own nose usually gets used to the fragrances we wear, and we often think that the scent disappeared because we can't smell it anymore, but it hasn't, so don't apply too much. The last thing that we will discuss today is the application process. It can be very tricky but very important to know. One of the most widely accepted ways to apply perfume is to spray it on your wrists and rub them together. This is a mistake and it will shortchange a perfume's lifespan. I suggest never doing it, rather allow your perfume to dry out naturally. This way you won't crush the top notes and you will allow the layers of your fragrance to play their role. The best chance you have for your perfume to last longer and linger is to apply it to the warmest parts of your body, generally your pulse points. Where exactly are our pulse points? Wrists, behind your ears, your neck, elbow crease, and even behind your knees. Regardless of which pulse point you choose, you can rest assured that the fragrance will emit. Spray the scent directly onto your body and not your clothes. Perfume is designed to interact with your body's chemistry and the warmth of your skin, which will help to project the scent. Respect other people in public places and remember that the perfume should be discovered and not announced. I'll see you in the next video.